back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. I've seen in the comments that a lot of you are not wanting to do customer service being tied to the phone all day, but leave down in the comments below if you don't mind regular customer service. But today's job lead is a non-phone customer service position for you. Of course, the company is also going to provide all the computer equipment for you, so this is going to be perfect if you want to work from home, but you don't have a computer and home office set up. Of course, the links to everything that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, I don't know if you've seen the commercials. They air a lot on regular cable TV here in the United States. I'm not sure if they air on YouTube as well, but there is a new startup and deodorant brand called Lumi Deodorant. It's supposed to be like an all-natural deodorant brand. They are hiring. Now, they have a 4.2 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. However, because they are a startup company, they only have 14 reviews. But they are looking for an e-commerce customer service representative for their social channels. Now, this is remote for the United States only, but you'll be responding to and triaging incoming customer service help desk tickets and or social media comments and messages. You'll use relevant application systems such as Georgius, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok, and apply appropriate customer service processes and procedures. So this is completely non-phone. You'll have to understand the customer's needs and, of course, execute the appropriate policies and procedures. You'll maintain a positive attitude while working with the customer. You'll identify problems and be driven to find solutions. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. A high school diploma or GED is what is required. Someone who has great communication skills, great listening and problem-solving skills. Someone who is self-motivated and detail-oriented. Now, you do have to have access to a quiet, distraction-free location in your house to work in. A company laptop will be provided for you, but you have to have your own internet. Now, this position is paying $17 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, please feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for. Also, don't forget to let me know if you like regular phone customer service jobs or you prefer these non-phone types. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.